zan hi chun ITLF fo lam kai na in lam ka base a mi langa recognized tribe ma president ho to kimu tu khom na phat ana nei uvin hi chia chun ana phat sa naw wa chun ITLF hi tu chung mei thei to ikika uwa gala ta aji a center langa athu bui pi ding le mi pi ogin khata ki mang a hi ta ji in hi chi zom ding in ana phat sa uvin hi chi bo chu hi lovin ITLF no ya aba kai zo se zong active ta panla zom ding a phat sa na ana nei ki novin hi jing Saturday ni khole kimuto khom kit ding in a phat sa uvin hichia hi mabana iti panla ding ham ti sei khom na ding ding a hi in chule May 3 ni kho suppression day kin gon jong hi iti lamponga manding ham ti jong sei khom na anei ding wa hi Kangpopi District Administration in zan hi chun National Kayakal Initiative noya na to phatman hopdo na District Health Society a chairman jong hi DC Mahesin ananei na hi thin thona lampong chile infection control na lampong to kisaya high standard maintain ki bolji a ki paman a hi in hi district level a DC conference hola kingun anaman wa hi hi Minister of Health and Family Welfare noya Swachh Bharat Mission a hi in private le pangling hospital a thin thona lampong to kisaya AAM PHC Kalafar chu Best Primary Health Center 2023-24 chule 2024-25 P anahi in AAM SHC Molkon chun Best Sub Health Center award 2023-24 anikisan kit in chule AAM SHC Pearson in Best Sub Center award anikisan kit in ahi Chief Medical Officer Dr. Paukai Kipgian in asay na achun Kayakal program noya hin KPI district sunga 2019 kuma introduce ahong kibol pat akon tu ni chana achidan hi evet le ahoi le jing in amachal he jing ati kingo na chun additional deputy commissioner so khungam baite SDO champhai lamminlal simte sub divisional officer departmental officer chule local dignitaries on pan anala uvinahi India in amasa penadia high speed rail to ogon anay to kilona Japan in high speed Shinkansen train ni pi dingin phundo na anay ta nahi hichithil pi kipi pen hi E5 le E3 model ahin chule India in Mumbai bullet train project anay to hlon a test na ajong kimangding ahi akiti hichithil gon hi India le Japan adia partnership suhat be ahi na ding jong ahin Japan in advanced rail technology langa panhata ala anom dan jong azaw vinahi train E5 le E3 present ki bolte ni hi 2026 ma a hunglung ding gincha na hin akisei ma bonga India rail condition a thilha asa ho high temperature dust humidity ho test na ichanha ma panna anei ding dan ata langi nahi Japan le India in bullet train project anei hlon na ahin khunung le thilpa chom tampi sa beading ahi to hlon a phat jong a chef ding economy jong ha ta suhat beading ahi tin report chun ana seizin ahi thulut khanin asei na achun April 24 ni khole Mizoram akon delegate son Assam sarkar to border thua ki ho na nei dinga gohati aju di ohitai tin asei nahi Delegate so chu Home Secretary Vanlal Mawia in alam kaiding ahi in chule Assam team ho chu Principal Secretary khan in alam kaiding in akisei nahi hichi meeting hi April 25 ni khole ding ahi in hichi ahi ground work chule modalities le next round ki ho na ding ho ahin sei falding wa hi meeting ali vai chanale anukha pen chu ningkum August 9 ni khwa chu aizola na ki ho ahi tan Mizoram district thum Aizol Kolasip chule mamit ho hin Assam district Kachar Karimganj chule Halakandi ho to border 164.6 asaw ki kopma hiuve New York Times akon thu ki muchun asei na a Israel in Iran nuclear kisim namun lakit le attack dia agong in hichi ki gon lo na hi Tehran in nuclear ahung hlunding kum a to gon anei beji ahi hichi to gon na ahin commando hat na US ki thopi na bombing bolding to ogo na hi hinla President Trump ki kumlut ji in military na to asang diplomacy ta chil hading agong in hi Iran to ki ho na chil ajing lai to hlon in deadline tu hong thong ding thla hi report in asay na Trump ki vai hom na ki bung khen na ata lang in official khen khat in atizat pi chu Israel in Iran to galin ta to ogon anei hi hi Hichitil so to kilon US in military ho aircraft carrier missile defense system B2 bomber ho zo se guantup san Iran leinoya galman cha akoi na ho target dia akoi dan tutut na kimun Hichitil gon hin adoile tu pen chu Iran bucket Houthis Yemen ho tup na zong ahi akiti Home Department order dungzuya kangpu PDC le Tamenglong DC in ASP ho tu pi anejin license nei hon police station akinai pi pen pena license lekha copy ho submit ding chule verification bolding atiu hi limsa loading hi original license hi hanlang ip license hi hanlang UIN hanlang hi jongle submit lo hilding hi tu pi dungzuya ase di walom ase jiu hi bowe government tu pi zo se zuiding hi pun achi sa 2023 kuminjong Biren government in license gan yose submit bolding in anasayin mizo sen a submit chai pha na ichungwa gala hin boljong gel to ngai hi in veng tingai luta jingjong gamgi ji a boina jing thei a hi to hlon in adi a gam khat ki ka gamgi ki tup ta ding hi a pha in chule Kitup ta ay magam ki hu bin hi akoy lam kai injong ako sa pian khat chu a hi Hichito hlon chun center injong north east langa border atiko pi ho to akika uwa fencing a hin ha gel kho pantan Mizoram gam sunga jong Myanmar to India ki ka gamgi kitup ta thei na ding in fencing aki boljing to hlon in center in Mizoram gam sunga CSO ho henga to sot na angi ovina hi He thei khat chu Tuesday ni khuwa chu Center Young Mizo Association CYMA chule Mizo Jillai Pool MJP hon New Delhi Home Secretary anaki mupi ovin AFMR la ado border fencing jong bolding in ki hona anane ovin hi CYMA General Secretary Mal Swamlina in asein achun meeting chu Center lam kai hon Mizo mi pi ho lungyal ding jong aki hen hinla Center in tilki bol hi ito so diwin ngi ana ay bol vietin asayin hi